All right, this is the LaserJamb tape measure. It's the PMS-25. So it's both metric and standard. You'll see that it's white, which is kind of rare. I kind of like that. Most of these are yellow in color. And you've got your feet. I like this because it tells you, I know, sorry, it's hard to see because you're probably not as close as we need to be, but it gives me the measurements in 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and then the full. It actually tells you, so you don't have to sit there and try to decipher the inches and the little notches along the way. So one side is going to have feet. It is 16 feet in length. The other side is going to have metric, and sorry, it's all on this side. The bottom part is going to have metric, and then this is measured in tenths. Now it does not identify this as conveniently as it does in the inches, but it is all there. In terms of usability, it has the lock. It also gives you the ability to, and most don't have this, it also gives you the ability to lock it, as you go. So you can kind of hold that really quickly if you just want to put finger pressure on and not lock this. It reminds me kind of a dog leash, right? Where you can permanently lock it or just grab the finger and lock it. It's got a metal, part of it's metal belt clip. This upper part is plastic. I kind of wish this was metal. I feel like over time this is going to break, but it hasn't, and you can tell I've used it a lot. It's old, and it's still in great condition overall, so I probably shouldn't complain. It's lasted a good long time, and it's a good tape measure.